Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are breaking down one of the most transformative financial guides ever written, Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover. Ramsey argues that personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. Forget fancy investment strategies. This is a battle plan for changing your behavior, crushing your debt, and building genuine wealth. The centerpiece of this plan is a 7-step roadmap called the baby steps. The first 3 steps are all about defense and demolition. Baby step 1, $1,000 starter emergency fund. Before you do anything else, you must save $1,000 cash. This is your shield against life's little emergencies. Stop borrowing immediately. Baby step 2, the debt snowball. This is the psychological fuel of the entire plan. List all your non-mortgage debts from smallest balance to largest balance, regardless of the interest rate. Pay the minimum on everything except the smallest debt. Attack the smallest debt with everything you have. Once that smallest debt is gone, roll the money you are paying on it into the payment of the next smallest debt. You gain momentum, motivation, and quick wins. Once baby step 2 is complete and you are entirely debt-free, except for your house, you move to the safety net. Baby step 3, complete the emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund is insurance against a major life event like job loss or a serious illness. Do not invest this money, it must be kept safe and liquid. Ramsey says, having no payments and a full emergency fund is not weird, it's winning. With your debt gone and your buffer full, you can now start aggressively building wealth. Baby step 4, invest 15% of your gross income for retirement. This is where you start using the power of compound interest. Baby step 5, save for your children's college fund. Remember, you can borrow for college, but you can't borrow for retirement. Baby step 6, pay off your home early. Attack your mortgage with extra payments. The freedom of owning your home free and clear is the ultimate wealth building tool. Baby step 7, build wealth and give. At this stage, your money is working entirely for you. You have maximum cash flow. You can live and give like no one else. This final step is the culmination of all the disciplined behavior. Ramsey's message is clear. You must change your behavior before you can change your net worth. Start your $1,000 shield today and watch that debt snowball roll. Which lesson resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential book breakdowns like this one. See you next time.